brand spanking new, something crazy special right here. GLC 63S e-Power, all right? This thing is a hybrid. You thought we don't work on hybrids? We do hybrids, guys. This is a hybrid GLC 63, not a V8 twin turbo. It's a 4-cylinder turbo with an EV powered engine in the back. So this is the EV power right here. You guys can see it's controlling the rear axles, all right? And then you have a 4-cylinder, 4-banger turbo in the front. This thing's making wicked power. It's almost 600 horsepower for a 4-cylinder. This is a GLC 63. These are not V8s, all right? This is probably one of the first cars on the road that's, you know, EV power with AMG power and at the same time, and it's like, you know, a marriage of superpower. So, and a lot of power out of this thing. So 600 horsepower, like I said, and 4-cylinder, which is kind of crazy. So we're gonna make this thing sound a little bit louder. The customer does not want a lot of noise, so we're leaving the rear mufflers in the back. These are the two rear mufflers. You have the valve control from factory, and then it comes into a Y pipe right here, and then a resonator in the midsection. We're just getting rid of this resonator, amplifying the tone. So if you have a GLC 63 e-Power, obviously this new one is a 4-cylinder, not a V8. You wanna make a little bit more noise, we're gonna chop this thing off, bypass it, make it a little bit more aggressive. You guys heard what it sounded like from factory. We're just turning up the volume a little bit. Customers coming in, look for a full system. There's not many options available for this. So what we do is modify the stock exhaust, make it a little bit more aggressive. And like I said, if you have a car like this, BMW, Mercedes, you know, Audi, you name it, a lot of these cars are pretty mixed, you know, hybrid, regular combustion engines, but they do have pretty similar setups. So like I said, we're just amplifying the tone, deleting this AMG resonator, bypassing it, running some 3-inch pipe, and amplifying the tone to the stock exhaust, guys. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe. EV, baby. So that's it. That's the GLC 63S e-Power, baby. 4-cylinder turbo. I'm gonna pop the hood so you guys see what that engine looks like. It's got almost 600 horsepower. Sounds sick. Just a little bit more amplification of sound. The customer didn't want a bunch of sound on this setup, so we went a little bit more mild. Just did the resonator delete, amplify the tone. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys this engine, show you guys this 4-cylinder. Oh, sick. Shit looks awesome. Yeah, hell yeah. It seems pretty sweet. So that's a 4-cylinder, supposedly a 2.0, pretty massive turbo. It does have a Garrett turbo, which is pretty sick. That's new for Mercedes. They don't usually use Garrett turbos, but pretty big ass 4-cylinder. And this thing's making wicked power. So got the new grill on there. It looks awesome. I mean, the wheels look great. Car is a sweet ride, man. Like I said, 4-cylinder with 600 horsepower, unheard of. So that's the new GLC 63S with the 4-cylinder e-Power engine. So if you're looking for an SUV, something like that, I would highly recommend this car just because it looks pretty badass. So you get the styling, you get the new technology, you get EV power, and you get AMG 63, baby, with all the styling, new grille, new wheels, new interior, 2025 GLC 63S.